how to delete all chats at once on ChatGPT. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. Also, watch until the end because we're going to be going over some important details on how to make ChatGPT forget what you've spoken about after you've deleted the messages. So step number 1 is deleting the messages. This is fairly simple. Click on your profile to the bottom left of the ChatGPT website and then go to settings. Now from here you want to click on data controls and delete all chats, but we're not done here, so stick about for a bit longer. So delete all chats. This will also delete all chats from your archive, so you don't need to worry about that. And then finally go to personalization. You then want to scroll down and where it says memory, make sure reference saved memories is turned off. This means that in the future, or potentially in the past as well, ChatGPT will not save and reference what you've said to it. So just make sure that is turned off as well.